Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what we received in the March 2019 Sophie Toffee Elves box, as well as showing you how to create a resin Pac-Man inspired Tamagotchi shaker. So in the March box we received 2-part epoxy resin, yellow and mint pigment dyes, clear shaker oil, 2 Tamagotchi silicone molds, and I think by accident I received 2 the exact same, Pac-Man sprinkles, monster stickers, star confetti, iridescent glitters, glass iridescent beads, clear shaker film, a syringe, and some findings. So begin by taking your 2-part epoxy resin and measuring out equal amounts of part A and part B, and then mixing these together. I then added in some black pigment dye and then mixed this into the mixture. I sprinkled in some of the iridescent glitter that came in the box and then mixed this in as well. You can then take your silicone mold and then pour the mixture inside until it's level with the top, and then allow it to harden overnight. So the next day I demolded it, and this is what it looks like, and then I took some of my clear UV resin and mixed in some black paint to dome the back of my Tamagotchi and make it more opaque. Because this one is UV resin, I had to cure it with a UV light rather than just leaving it overnight. Now for the decorations, I took the monster stickers and stuck them over the front of the Tamagotchi shaker. Then using the Pac-Man sprinkles and some gold embellishments that I have from another Sophie and Toffee box, I added these inside the shaker. I then used my UV resin and clear shaker film, which you need to pull off the plastic for. To make the shaker, I used the UV resin like a glue and applied it around the outside of my Tamagotchi shaker part using a toothpick, and then I placed on a square piece of the film and used my UV light to cure it. Fill up the syringe with the clear shaker oil that came in the box, and then use this to fill the inside with oil. To close the gap back up, use your UV resin and then cure it with a light. I then domed the whole front of my shaker, including over top of the plastic, and of course cured it with a UV light. I then did the same on the back, but I also added a backing that came in the box so that I could turn it into a charm. To decorate the buttons of the Tamagotchi, I simply stuck on some rhinestones. Then I added the charm findings to the backing of my Tamagotchi using my pliers. And then there you have it, that is how you make a resin Tamagotchi shaker charm, and if you enjoyed this video please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!